Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC, I'm going to go over how you would add washer fluid to your 2016 Kia Sedona. So the washer fluid reservoir is right here. This is on the passenger side / the right side of your vehicle, very close to the front. Your headlight cluster is right here, and this is the washer fluid. So if you need to add washer fluid, you just pop the lid and you'd pour your desired washer fluid in here and fill it up. And if it was completely empty and not pumping anymore, then this will take almost a whole gallon, or 3 liters. So it takes pretty close to a whole gallon. So don't be worried. You fill that up and then put the cap on, and then you should be good to go. Now if you don't get the option, or if you have this full, you come to check it and it's full, and you try to hit the buttons and it doesn't work, well then you know that you could potentially just have a fuse that you would need to look at, or the motor is potentially bad and you may need to replace that. But that's how you add fluid to your vehicle. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.